How to download YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the YouTube app on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type in YouTube. From there, tap on YouTube from the search results to open its store page. At this point, tap on Install to begin downloading the app. In the next step, wait for the download and installation to complete. Following this, once installed, tap Open to launch YouTube for the first time. Once done, sign in with your Google account to access your subscriptions, history, and personalized recommendations. Finally, tap Allow on any permission prompts that appear so YouTube can function properly on your device. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you download YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.